Hello everyone. So we have created a restaurant agent. It's basically an order taking AI agent. So I'll just run it and show it to you guys how it works. So we are using a local database to store the food items and the modifiers. And then here is the structure, how our chatbot works. And just to show you how our project works, I just ask for the menu right now. So here I got the response. So now I'll just say I need a cheeseburger with bacon. Okay, we'll have a cheeseburger with bacon. So this has been added here. I'll say one large Coca-Cola. This has been added as well. And now I'll just say that's everything. Yes, to confirm. Yes, again. This has been done. And now if we see there is an order here. And yeah. Hi, we have created a backend for the AI agent chatbot as well. So we converted the notebook into a Python folder structure, and we can use voice to order items. So I'll just demonstrate it right now.
Welcome to the RestaurantBot restaurant. How may I serve you today?
Hi there, can I get one cheeseburger please?
I do not see cheeseburger on the menu. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes please.
Okay, I see a cheeseburger on the menu, classic beef burger with cheddar cheese. Would you like to order that?
Yes please, two of those.
Okay, I have added 2 cheeseburgers to your order. Anything else?
Can I get one large Coke please?
Okay, I see Coca-Cola on the menu. Upsize to large is a modifier. Would you like to add Coca-Cola with the modifier upsize to large?
Yes please.
Okay, I have added 1 Coca-Cola with the modifier upsize to large. Anything else?
No, that's everything. And now we can just export the order, and then we are done. Thank you.